welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm trying to learn C++ completely for ChatGPT. Right now I'm working on a university app where I can add courses and add students, enroll them, and all of that kind of fun stuff. I just got through a bunch of compilation errors and finishing with that, even though I still have one. I tried to run a program. It's not even working right now. It's not even giving me a runtime error when I tried to add a course. So I think it's time to look into that. So the first thing I want to do is make sure it actually got the part where it actually made me run a course. So I'm going to say adding a course right here to make sure it even got the message in the first place. Because maybe it has something to do with actually inputs. So I'm going to call it Coding University. And I'm going to say add a course. Yeah, and it doesn't even process anything. Let's try log our answer. I'm not sure why this isn't working at all. I'm gonna make sure we're running the latest version of the file because it might just be not recompiling, and that could be an issue. Yeah, and things are still not working. Oh wait, what? I guess there was something. Maybe I just forgot to ask for input. This is so weird. Why is this not working? Why is this working so weird? Let's go back to our original logic for add course. So this is what a university course does. It queries a code and a title and asks for the code of the class and then the name of the class. So to me, this should all be working so far. I'm not sure why there's like a slight delay and why everything is just so messed up. Maybe if I try running from this from the terminal, it'll work better. Say I would like to add a course. Yeah, it's just not working at all. Let's give the name. Oh my god. Yeah, I think it crashed. This is not working at all. Oh my god. I have no idea. I'm so tired of working on this. I'm gonna just ask for some help because I really need it right now. Can you help me out fixing the bugs in this code? I have no idea why, but it crashes when I want to add a course. So apparently we have 4 key issues. The first one is initialization of students and courses in the university class, correct handling of input with getLine and ignore, avoiding unnecessary use of std_ignore, correct initialization of smart pointer vectors before adding elements. Here's the corrected code, but I wish it would actually show me which lines it fixed. So I'll say, could you show me specifically the before and after of the lines you fixed? And obviously later I'll test if it works, and then obviously review the lines being fixed. I don't want to just obviously copy and paste some random code because I would have learned from it. So for some reason, it's actually saying that I declared the students and courses in the constructor, which to me is a little weird because I thought if I created some private variables over there that would already work. I did not know about that, but let's look at our std_getLine ignores. So I guess I don't have to ignore after using std_getLine. For adding a student, I can't find a difference so far. So I'm still not sure completely on how to use std_sin.ignore. And can I ask, like, could you comment? Could you write comments next to each changed line? Because I really need to see what's happening. Because it's still kind of hard to find exactly where the changes. So this is saying ignore the newline character left in the buffer. So I still don't understand when to use that. I guess maybe it's only for std_sin, not an std_getLine. Oh yeah, I also forgot to add the students to the course. I remember looking at that and remembering to change that later, but never did. For adding a student, it made the change to ignore here. So yeah, a lot of changes to my std_ignores. Let's tell it to continue generating. It's like actually going very in depth into all the changes, which I find very useful. Okay, let's now take the corrected code it gave me, and I'm gonna test it out for now, because I should still test it, because if it didn't work at all, then its corrections it gave me are kind of useless, you know? So let's honestly hope for the best, see what happens. So no problems have been detected. That's already a lot better. Now we're gonna say run. So I'm gonna call Coding University. Let's add a course. And yeah, it's not working. I'm gonna really make sure that this is the latest version, but this is really bugging me why none of this is working. And for some reason I have to do an extra thing, but let's try this. 101. Name of the class, let's call it, I don't know, computer science basics. And yeah, we have an exception. I guess I'm gonna have to go through this myself. Let's go back to our add course function to see what could have gone wrong. I'm not sure why we have to wait like one line before we get the code. That's probably screwing it up. Okay, I've actually had a very long day today, so I'm gonna call the day short. I'm gonna go look more into this. I feel like this is showing some of ChatGPT's limitations, because I honestly had confidence that I would be able to fix some of these bugs and kind of look into it a little bit more. I did like how it did show me like all the things that changed, but so far it's not necessarily fixing my problems. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hopefully you subscribe like always. Bye bye.